Hello and welcome to another segment of the Starrett Video Support Series. I'm Eric Perkins. On today's episode, we're going to talk about updating the firmware on the handheld force gauges Starrett offers, the bottles DFC and DFG. First thing we want to do, take the unit out of the box, place it on the bench, and the other thing we will need is the USB cable. With that, we'll stretch the cable out, insert it into the USB port on the bottom of the gauge, place it on the bench, and insert the cable. At this point, you will turn on the force gauge. Wait for it to fully come up, and now we're ready to go. First thing is, we will click the USB test. You'll notice when it comes up that you have communication, you'll have two green bars represented right here. Next thing we need to do is click More Functions, and we'll click and drag this off to the side. Next thing is click Program App. We will select that out of the same folder. We'll go to Desktop, DF Series, click the application, and hit Open. At this point, you'll notice the force gauge display will change, and you'll see where it's actually erasing the flash. At that point, it'll start reprogramming. Do not be alarmed if you see where it says not responding up here. The gauge is still doing exactly what it's supposed to be doing. So when it reaches 100%, which it's working on, notice it says not responding. It's still programming the force gauge. And when it finishes up, you'll see where it says finish down here. So we're almost there. Please be patient. Don't click any other buttons while you're doing this. Okay. At this point, you'll notice the force gauge is turned off. Press the power button to turn it back on. Wait for it to boot up. Once it boots up, you'll notice it's finished, and we will come over here and click the OK button and exit, and you are done.